Firstly, I want to thank everybody for being here. In particular, I want to thank the MJC, the Al-Quds Foundation, Haji Yunus, all the organizers of this event, PSC for joining us, the different political parties, and mainly yourselves for taking the time to come and show your solidarity. I want to start by thanking Palestine. Palestine has brought us together. Palestine has made us human. Palestine has made our souls complete. Palestine is noble. Palestine is what defines us from animals and human beings. Palestine is a country, and Gaza in particular is a place that lives in our hearts and a dream that we want to see in our lifetime. It's a dream we want to see of a one-state country, a solution which involves a people-driven government that represents the Palestinians and the people whose land it is. It can never be that some visitor comes to your home, stays in one of the bedrooms, takes another bedroom, takes your lounge, your kitchen, eventually they're taking your toilet. You're now in the garden. They want you to sleep in the Wendy house outside. They want you to sleep in the neighbor's house. And then they want you to negotiate around which room they can have and which room you can have, if you can even have a room. That is theft. And the people of Cape Town and Western Cape are very familiar, as we stand here next to District 6, about how it feels to know when your land is stolen, your homes are destroyed, and you are chased. There's nothing complicated about it. There's also nothing complicated about the right to resist. When someone breaks into your home, rapes your children, kills your family, it doesn't matter how you respond. You are the oppressed. You are being robbed. You are being raped. You are the oppressed peoples, and the oppressed peoples have a right to respond how they so choose. We will never be a judge that judges the oppressed, that judges the victim of violence on how they respond to violence. If Israel wants to stop rockets landing in Israel, get the hell out of there. Allow Palestine and Gaza to have its freedom. Stop your invasion. Stop your theft. Allow people to be free. I don't want to talk long, but I just want to point out something. Right now we're here by the provincial legislature during a week called Week for Palestine, where we're supporting also the Red Card Israel campaign, saying FIFA and all sport should show at least a cultural boycott. How can you play soccer in an abnormal society? How can you play a normal sport? How can we sit at a table with terrorists and criminals who want to confuse us into thinking that their theft and their wealth is acceptable? We can never allow normal relations with an abnormal state. Never. The Democratic Alliance has robbed the people of South Africa and the people of the Western Cape in particular. They came to that soccer match where Palestine played South Africa. They attended the match. They told us they helped with the stadium for that match to confuse you, us, the voters. But today they go on a free propaganda trip only to come back and say there's no genocide. They have hoodwinked the voters. They have misled the voters. I'm not even going to say vote for this or that party. But I am going to say, don't vote for these parties. In this march alone, we have enough people to remove 1, 2, 3 councillors. Remove them. If you are not clear on Palestine, you're not clear on your morality. If you're not clear on Palestine, you have no place to represent the people of the Western Cape, who in their numbers, week after week, year after year, have been coming out here to show that they stand with the people of Palestine. How dare you take the vote of the people of the Western Cape and go to Tel Aviv with it on a free propaganda trip, only to come back here and tell us it's complicated? To hell with that. In closing, I want to again thank Haji Yunus and everyone for arranging you all, and all of you for coming. We will never get tired. We'll never get bored. We'll never tire so long as the people of Palestine are not free. We will walk in the march. The march may be a marathon. It may be a relay of marathons. We may die carrying the baton. We'll give it to the next generation. We will never stop showing our solidarity. Amanla.